How to fully reset your iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fully reset your iPhone. This process wipes everything from your device, so it's perfect if you are troubleshooting, getting ready to sell, or just want a fresh start. But before we begin, make sure you back up any important data, as a full reset will erase it all. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General, then scroll to the bottom and select Reset. Now, choose Erase all content and settings. This option will completely reset iPhone, removing all apps, photos and settings. Next, you will be asked to enter your passcode for security reasons. If Find My iPhone is enabled, you will also need to enter your Apple ID password to turn it off. This prevents anyone else from resetting your device without permissions. Once you have entered your passcode and Apple ID, you will see a final confirmation screen. Tap Erase iPhone to begin the reset. This may take a few minutes depending on how much data you have on your device. And that's it. Your iPhone will now be fully reset to factory settings just like new. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.